Alright, I'm at this station, and this is line 8. I believe, yes, it's line 8. And the difference between line 8 and line 4 is that this one runs on a third rail system. As you can see, there are no fourth rail, and also this one runs on rails of a train. The train runs on steel or iron wheels, and they run on these rails just like a normal train. Where else on the other line, some of the other lines, trains are rubber tired, and obviously the rubber ones are a lot quieter and more comfortable. But this one will feel just like a normal train running on rails. So from what I've seen so far, they've got a few methods of electrification here in Paris. The RER trains use overhead wires, which I suspect run at 25 kilovolts. This one runs on third rail. The lines that have rubber tires have electrification rails on the walls adjacent to the track. I'm not sure what the traction voltage here is, but the gauge seems to be a little wide, or maybe it's just a perception. Yeah, here comes the train. So this one, once again, it's on metal. Runs on metal wheels rather than rubber tires. So we can already feel the platform vibrating as the train arrives, and we can hear the sound. The vibration passes through the rails. Okay, so here we are, train number 8.